Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Andrea and I am back to do another unboxing for you guys. So I am so excited. Yesterday was my birthday and I have waited this so long to open this parcel right here. I actually ordered this one a few days ago, actually a week ago, and I've waited up until my birthday. This is not actually a birthday treat. This is a treat from a previous achievement from last year. So as you all know, I've won the Staff of the Month for November 2020. So I thought I need to treat myself. So without further ado, let's start. I ordered this one from Prada.com, and as what it says in the title, I'm going to open or unbox for you guys this is actually called re-edition Nylon Mini Shoulder Bag. I am so excited. This is a true real unboxing for you guys. I haven't opened this one and we're gonna open it together. Ready? So let's just open this parcel, guys. This is actually my first order from Prada.com, and I should have used a, guys, this is so difficult. Can I open it? No, I still have to cut this. There's a sticker, I think. Hang on a minute. So I managed to open it. Ready? Ta-da! Oh my god! I am so excited. I can actually see the box in there. Oh, I'm glad it came with a box because I've been watching a lot of Prada unboxing, and some of the handbags hasn't got a box, and I'm really glad there is a box. Oh my god, look. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. And this is just some, what is this one called? Bubble wrap, and I couldn't say anymore in there. Oh, there's another one. Oh my god, you guys, look. The first one that I could see is this blue envelope. This is just a blue envelope, and what does it say? Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. You have no idea. This is just a care card and some receipt, packing receipt from Prada. I'm so excited. What else in here? And I think that's it. Oh my god, I like the color. It's in like a baby blue with the Prada logo on the flap of the envelope. And then the next one that I could see is, what is this? Oh, look, there's a another envelope, and I suppose this is my message, or I don't know, what do you call this one? Oh, there you are. There you are. It says Prada. Oh, there is the message. See, it says November 2020 Staff of the Month winner CICU Leicester Royal Infirmary. Treat to myself. A frontliner has to wear Prada. From me. This is really funny. I can't even remember what I have written in the message. Oh my god, you guys. Oh. This is how it looks like. Oh my god, look at that. There's the Prada. This is how the box looks like. There's no ribbon actually, but I just like the elastic, you know. This is just a very nice, posh, so sleek. Are you ready? Let's open this one now. Are you ready? Oh my god, I am so excited. And that is just the elastic band. Where is actually the opening? I suppose you just have to open it like that. Are you ready? Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is just gonna be a really tiny handbag. So guys, this is how the box looks like. I am so excited. it looks so posh and so luxurious. I'm going to close my eyes and open it and see. I'm so excited. Ready? Oh, it's actually, oh my god, there's the Prada, the tissue paper, on another tissue paper. Oh my god, look at this one, you guys. Oh, what is this? It's in a, I can't, oh my god, it is so cute. I can see it already. Is this just, oh, there's another. Hang on a minute, let me just open it for you guys. There's another. This is the authenticity card, I think. Oh my god, look at this one. That's the authenticity card. I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's actually, oh my god, it actually says the date when I ordered it, March 9, 2021. How cool is that? Oh my god, this is amazing. And for the item, for the star of the show, this is the Prada bag itself. Oh my god, it is so cute, you guys. Ay, grabe, ang cute niya. Oh my god, you guys. So this is my new baby right here, and I'm so lucky to have this one in my collection. This has been sold out for days and weeks, and actually this was the only color available when I purchased it. I was actually looking for a black one, but unfortunately it just never appeared at the website. So this bag is actually trending at the moment. There's so many celebrities and influencers rocking this bad boy right here. So I've seen Kylie Jenner and Maha Salvador. Though they've got the bigger version, I opted for the smallest version. And this is called Nylon Re-Edition Mini Shoulder Bag. I got this one for £430. I'm not sure, a little bit expensive, but I think it's just okay. For the description, the width is 15 centimeters. The length is about 11 centimeters. It's got this top zip opening like so. Let's see what's inside. Oh, there's just a little bit of tissue paper. And one thing that I really love about this handbag is the iconic triangle Prada logo. It has got this shoulder strap, woven adjustable removable strap that I really love, and it is in silver hardware. And as well, it's got this, let me just show you guys. It's got this really nice detail, the shoulder chain strap. This is very functional. I think I'll be able to use this one for a night out, for casual, you know, wear, and it's just very functional. Look at that. So this is the shoulder chain shoulder strap that you can just connect like that, and you can just use this one as a top handle. Can use this one as well as a belt bag. Oh my god, it's got as well the Saffiano trimming on the sides. Oh my god, the material is just so soft, you guys. It's very soft, a little bit delicate, and I've got in the color cameo or beige nude. So if I compare this one with my mini pochette, I thought this was actually bigger than the mini pochette. Unfortunately, it's not. So these are the two babies side by side. So there you are, you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.